In the coming years, we are on the brink of witnessing groundbreaking technological innovations that will completely change how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. These emerging technologies have the potential to disrupt industries, solve global challenges, and unlock possibilities we've only imagined. In today's video, we'll dive deep into 15 transformative technologies that are set to change the world as we know it. Let's start with artificial intelligence and machine learning. It's impossible to talk about the future without mentioning AI. From smart assistants like Siri and Alexa to advanced AI models like ChatGPT, artificial intelligence has already become a key part of our daily lives. But this is only the beginning. AI and machine learning are evolving at a rapid pace, and in the next few years, they will transform every sector, from healthcare to transportation. AI is no longer just a tool for automating tasks. It is becoming a decision maker. With advancements in AI models, we are approaching the era of artificial general intelligence, AGI, where AI systems could surpass human intelligence. This brings significant ethical and security concerns. Elon Musk, one of the most prominent voices in the tech industry, has warned that advanced AI could become an existential threat to humanity if left unchecked, potentially posing a greater risk than nuclear weapons. Despite these warnings, the potential benefits of AI are immense. Imagine AI diagnosing diseases more accurately than human doctors, creating personalized treatments, or optimizing energy usage across entire cities. These applications are no longer science fiction. They are already being tested in real-world scenarios. Next, let's talk about Internet of Things, IoT. What? We are already seeing the early stages of IoT in action with smart homes, where devices like refrigerators, lights, and security systems are connected to the internet and can be controlled via smartphones. But in the next decade, IoT will extend far beyond our homes. Smart cities will become a reality, where everything, from streetlights to waste management systems, will be connected and optimized by AI. This will significantly improve the quality of life, reduce resource consumption, and increase urban safety. Renewable energy and fusion power will play a critical role in shaping the future. Renewable sources such as solar and wind energy are becoming more efficient and affordable. However, the real breakthrough will come with nuclear fusion. If scientists succeed in harnessing fusion power, we will have access to a nearly limitless energy source without the harmful emissions associated with fossil fuels. Fusion energy has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of energy production. Unlike current nuclear fission reactors, which produce radioactive waste, fusion mimics the process that powers the sun, offering clean and abundant energy for all. Biotechnology and genetic engineering is another field on the cusp of a revolution. Today, we see the use of biotechnological advancements such as bionic limbs, which help individuals who have lost their arms or legs live more fulfilling lives. In the future, these prosthetics will become even more advanced, allowing people to control them with their minds and even exceed the capabilities of biological limbs. Moreover, gene editing techniques like CRISPR are giving us the power to rewrite the DNA code. This means that we are approaching a world where inherited diseases can be eradicated and physical and intellectual abilities can be enhanced. Imagine a world where illnesses like cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia are eradicated, or where parents can choose the traits of their children. Quantum computing is a technology that is still in its infancy, but promises to reshape industries as we know them. Quantum computers operate on principles entirely different from traditional computers, enabling them to solve problems that are currently unsolvable. While today's quantum computers are still relatively primitive, they have the potential to revolutionize industries like pharmaceuticals, cryptography, and artificial intelligence. Quantum computers will allow scientists to simulate complex biological processes, develop drugs with unprecedented precision, and create encryption systems that are impossible to crack with classical computers. we can't ignore the importance of space exploration and colonization. Companies like SpaceX are already making space travel more accessible, and in the coming decades, we may witness not just manned missions to Mars, but also the establishment of permanent colonies on other planets. This will open new horizons for humanity, including the exploration and exploitation of space resources, potentially reshaping global economies and geopolitical dynamics. Space exploration is no longer a far-off dream. It's a rapidly approaching reality. Autonomous transportation is another technology that is set to change the world. Self-driving cars are already appearing on the roads, and within a few years, autonomous vehicles will be the norm. Fully autonomous cars, trucks, and drones will revolutionize how we travel and move goods. Imagine a world where human drivers are no longer required, reducing accidents, increasing transportation efficiency, and cutting logistics costs. Autonomous flying taxis and delivery drones are also on the horizon, promising to make urban transportation faster and more convenient. Virtual and augmented reality technologies are making enormous strides as well. While virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are often associated with gaming and entertainment, their applications are expanding far beyond that. VR and AR will transform education, medicine, architecture, and even social interaction. Students will be able to visit ancient civilizations through virtual tours. Surgeons will perform complex operations using AR guidance, and people will interact in virtual spaces that feel almost as real as the physical world. These technologies will offer a completely new level of interaction with the digital world. Another area ripe for transformation is smart agriculture. With the rise of AI, drones, and biogenetics, farming will become much more efficient. Smart agriculture will allow farmers to manage crops and livestock with unprecedented precision, reducing water use, fertilizer application, and pesticide reliance. This will make farming more sustainable and environmentally friendly. As the global population continues to grow, smart agriculture will help ensure that we can feed the world without exhausting the planet's resources. Blockchain technology is another game changer, often associated with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. However, the potential applications of blockchain go far beyond finance. Blockchain can revolutionize how we manage data, ensure privacy, and conduct transactions. In the future, blockchain could become the backbone of new decentralized economic systems where transactions are instantaneous and without the need for intermediaries. From voting systems to secure personal data management, blockchain is poised to reshape how society functions. 3D printing is also on track to become a major disruptive technology. While 3D printers are already being used to create everything from small gadgets to house structures, the real potential lies in bioprinting. In the near future, scientists may be able to 3D print organs using living cells, providing solutions to the organ donor shortage. This technology could revolutionize healthcare by making organ transplants more accessible and saving countless lives. The development of 5G and beyond. In telecommunications is going to change how we connect to the internet and each other. 5G networks offer lightning-fast data transfer speeds and low latency, enabling real-time communication between billions of connected devices. This will revolutionize industries such as autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and the Internet of Things. But even as 5G is rolled out globally, researchers are already looking toward 6G, which will be exponentially faster and more powerful, allowing even more immersive and responsive digital experiences. Another technology that is gaining momentum is brain-computer interfaces, BCIs. BCIs are devices that allow direct communication between the brain and computers. In the future, BCIs will enable people to control machines with their thoughts, interact with virtual environments, and potentially even enhance cognitive functions. Imagine being able to type, browse the internet, or even control a drone using just your mind. This technology could also open new pathways for treating neurological disorders and providing new ways for people with disabilities to interact with the world. Finally, we have advanced robotics. Robots are becoming more intelligent, adaptive, and capable of performing tasks once thought to be exclusively human. From robots that can perform complex surgeries to machines that handle hazardous work in extreme environments, robotics is reshaping labor and industry. In the future, robots will take on an even more significant role in manufacturing, healthcare, and daily life. Collaborative robots, or cobots, will work alongside humans, increasing efficiency and safety in various industries. These 15 technologies are already beginning to influence the world, and their impact will only grow in the coming years. We are standing on the edge of an era where what seemed like science fiction yesterday will become everyday reality. These technologies will not only improve our lives, but fundamentally alter how we live, work, and interact with each other as a civilization. Technological progress is moving at an incredible pace, and it can be hard to comprehend just how drastically the world will change in the next decade. Each of the technologies mentioned is unique in its way and has the potential to revolutionize industries and societies. It's not just about observing these changes, it's about preparing for them. The future technologies are not only an opportunity, but also a responsibility to shape the world for future generations in a sustainable and thoughtful way.